where else can you go where you can visit different companies? Like you've got people making Dr. Martens, aeroplanes, cars, bikes, Kenwoods, you know, all different people, different ideas, and just talking to people and finding their experiences of the products they've been using.
Mars Curiosity is a truly outstanding and innovative project. This would have been impossible to deliver with the constraints that the company had without using the type of technology that Siemens provide. It's a truly inspiring fact that Siemens are linked to this exciting project.
Yeah, I think we organize the events in order to share technical knowledge at a deeper level than we typically do. So, you know, in a sales event you get at a certain level, but you really don't get below the slides. Here I think we get down to the bits, really to what makes the products work, what makes them work in your environment, and probably most powerful is this ability to share information with other customers, other similar customers, people who are solving the same kinds of problems that you're solving.
It's been quite useful in terms of networking, of course. That's what these events are always good for. So we've met a fair amount of people and companies who are looking to engage with us in terms of applied research. And one of our remits is to kind of link up academic outputs with what companies want. If I was to recommend people come to an event like this, then I'd be looking at the fact that you've got a broad offering of products and services, and that gives real good exposure on a day like this to people who are end users, to see how they'll actually link up all of the products and services for a complete manufacturing simulation offering.
The main objective we're here today at the PLM Connections event is to show our customers that we're working very proactively and strategically to build a pipeline of talent for their future workforce, trying to create engineers in the education system that can write their way through and end up working for our customers.
I'm David Cullimore. I designed, built, raced and won this electric Greenpower car. The Siemens PLM education programme is helping engineers like me enter to industry.
Well, a lot of our work is about supporting really blue skies fundamental research, and that's obviously valid and interesting, but increasingly it's really important to us to connect the technology and the capabilities arising from that research to practical things that deliver economic impact and jobs and growth. And so what we're trying to do here is actually engage better with the industrial base of the UK to try and help use some of that capability in the real economy. Well, there's a big concentration here of the right kind of organisations who can actually make use of the kind of capabilities that we have.
What I would expect customers to take away is that there are other customers out there that are using our technology and achieving their objectives. So if we look at the customer showcase that we have this year, which is the first time we've done that, we've had, for example, from one extreme we've had the X-Track gearbox, which is a high performance machine, all the way down to Dr. Martens boots, where we're using our Team Centre technology to underpin their success. So really it's about using the technology and being innovative with that technology. What's the value that you can put on doing something truly innovative that transforms what you do? So I was talking earlier to the RTT stand over there, and they'd had Princess Yachts come in and speak to them, and Princess Yachts said, we spend a fortune on trying to understand what a boat looks like, and delivering the wrong boat to our vendor, to our customer, can lead to disappointment and not a repeat order.
It is basically like the main rail of our business, and all our other programs and in-house software hangs off that rail. So if we didn't have it, we'd be sort of like a scattered, uncontrolled method of designing, where it sort of collaborates and it brings all the departments together as well.
So what value can you actually put on that? And if it's just one day to come and actually see something you hadn't seen was possible before, like that example with Princess Yachts, how can you put a value on that? So I think it is worth investing time and effort one day a year to come and see what other customers are doing and what other capabilities there are that maybe you're not aware of.
It's been really great coming to an event like this and seeing the same people who are using these tools, all from different environments, everyone talking about how they use the product, and it really does instigate our ideas about how we can use it.
Well, I think it's an absolutely fun day, I mean it's great to see so many exciting products. I mean you certainly get to play with better stuff in this industry than I tend to do on the Gadget Show most days. I mean, certainly the actual 3D is more immersive and realistic. The haptic software is sort of better than the stuff you get to play with as a consumer. I think it's brilliant. I think networking and communications is a fantastic thing, and whatever one may say about how developed these things are in the modern age, face-to-face contact is something one should not sort of poo-poo in a way. I think it's a great event. I mean, you get the chance to meet lots of other people in your industry, you get the chance to see how some of the software is actually used, and you get the chance to meet the people in the companies that use it and see what they do with it. I mean, it's just a really excellent opportunity.